Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to this short demo of Laravel Task Manager project. This is a simple, plain web application that lets users add, delete, and manage their tasks. This project is built completely with Laravel and Bootstrap. This is the main task view. I have used Laravel pagination to handle multiple tasks efficiently. As you can see, each task is listed with options edit and delete. Here we can add a new task using this simple modal. Okay, once submitted, it is stored in the database and appears instantly in the task list. See? Okay. Clicking on the edit button opens up a modal and where we can update the name, like we can update the description. Okay. So it is successfully updated. We can delete any task with a single click. It's removed from the database and the UI updates instantly. See? Okay. For styling, I used Bootstrap 5 to make the app responsive and user-friendly on both desktop and mobile. This project is built with Laravel 12, Blade templating, Bootstrap 5, and MySQL. The code follows MVC architecture and it is beginner-friendly. If you want to access the full source code of this project, feel free to contact with me with LinkedIn.